We are going to solve this year 2022 set 2 question 47 from GATE Mechanical Engineering paper. The question is as follows. In a direct current arc welding process, the power source has an open circuit voltage of 100 volt. We'll write our given data. Your VO is equals to 100 volt. Then add short circuit current of 1000 ampere. So your IS is given as 1000 ampere. Assume a linear relationship between voltage and current. The arc voltage varies with the arc length L as V is equals to 10 plus 5 L, where V is in volt, L is in mm. The maximum available arc power during the process. They are asking you P. So for stable arc, VT will be VA. So you can write it as 10 plus 5 LA will be 100 minus IT divided by 10. So from where we got this equation? Firstly, we know the equation VT is equals to V naught minus IT divided by IS into V naught. So we'll put it the values. Your VT will be 100 minus IT divided by 1000 into V naught is as 100. So from this equation 1, we can write it as 100 plus 5 LA will be 100 minus IT divided by 10. That is VT is equals to VA. This is your VA. Now by solving this equation we'll get IT is equals to 900 minus 50 into LA. Now we know that power is equals to VT multiplied by IT. So your VT is here 10 plus 5 LA and your IT is 900 minus 50 LA. So for maximum power we'll differentiate it with respect to LA, that should be 0. So you will get the value of LA as 8 mm. So your power will be 25 kilowatt ampere, that is 25 kilowatt. One shortcut method we can use to solve this question as for linear power source, your VT is equals to V naught by 2, that is 100 by 2 into is equals to 50 volt, and your IT is equals to IS by 2. Then again you can write it as 1000 divided by 2. It will be 500 ampere. Then your power is VT into IT, that will be 500 multiplied by 50. It will be 25 kilowatt. So your 25 kilowatt will be answer. Here it will be 25. Thank you.